Our Control app provides an intuitive interface for operating and monitoring the UAV gimbal in real time. The gimbal can be controlled directly through the remote controller, allowing smooth pitch and yaw adjustment for flexible viewing angles. The app supports quick switching between different camera views, including visible light and infrared imaging. Users can easily switch between visible, infrared, and combined image modes according to different operating requirements. With the tracking function, the operator can select a target on the screen and keep it centered automatically during operation. The app also supports one-click photo capture and video recording, making aerial data collection fast and convenient. Fast control, clear imaging, intelligent tracking, built for smarter UAV operations.